Welcome to this video. In this video, we will be doing Chapter 14 Statistics Class 10 Maths of TS SCERT, AP SCERT or NCERT. Question on mean, exercise 14.1. Question is, consider the following distribution of daily wages of 50 workers of a factory. Daily wages in rupees is the first column, number of workers is the second column, and it is asking us find the mean daily wages of the workers of the factory by using an appropriate method. Now wages already it gave, the final answer should be in rupees, and here the total frequency is given as 50, and it is asking us to use an appropriate method. Before I said that there are three methods to find out mean. Mean can be found out by direct method, by assumed mean method and by step deviation method. So which method will we use here? Observe the numbers. 200 to 250 is given as daily wages in rupees, 250 to 300, 300 to 350, 350 to 400. The maximum value here is 450. These number of workers are very small. Its maximum value is 12 only. But here we have 3 digits, that is still 450 we have. So remember, whenever you have class interval or frequency more than 50, you can use either second method, that is assumed mean method, that is also called as shortcut method, or you can use step deviation method. So here in this video we will be using assumed mean method. So assumed mean method is also called as shortcut method. The formula to find out assumed mean method of mean is mean x bar is equals to a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. This divided by belongs only to sigma fi. So di here will be xi minus a, where a is known as assumed mean, xi will be known as class mark and fi will be known as frequency. So in assumed mean method we will have 5 columns. The columns will be class interval in the first column, frequency in the second column, fi, class mark xi in the third column, and di is equals to xi minus a in the fourth column and fi di in the fifth, that is last column. So remember this, that is assumed mean method will have 5 columns and what they are. So let us write what is given in the question. Daily wages in rupees are given as class interval here. So my class interval, which is indicated by Ci, is given as 200 to 250. Then I have 250 to 300, 300 to 350, 350 to 400 and 400 to 450. Number of workers are given as frequency. So frequency F is I is given as, for 200 to 250 we have 12, 250 to 300 14, 300 to 350 8, 350 to 400 6, 400 to 450 10. Now in the question total frequency was given as 50. So let us see whether we are getting total frequency sigma fi as 50 or not. 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 8 is 14, 14 plus 6 is 20. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So we are getting sigma fi as 50. It means we have written the correct values. So this class interval and frequency will always be given in the question. So you just have to write this. Now here I am using assumed mean method. So in assumed mean method we have 5 columns. Class interval, frequency, class mark, that is indicated by xi. Then we have di is equals to xi minus a, and then last column we have fi di. So first let us find out class mark xi. Class mark xi is given by lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Lower limit is 200, upper limit is 250 in the first case. So 200 plus 250 means 450. So 450 by 2 means 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4 is 1 0, 2 5s are 10, 225. Next 250 plus 300, 2 plus 3 is 5 and 5 plus 0 is 5, 550 by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 5, 2 7s are 14, 1 0, 2 5s are 10, 275. Next we have 300 plus 350 by 2. 300 plus 350 is 3 plus 3 is 6, 0 plus 5 is 5 and 0 by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 1 0, 2 5s are 10. 350 plus 400, 3 plus 4 is 7, 5 plus 0 5 and 0 plus 0 is 0. So 750 by 2 means 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 5, 2 7s are 14, 1 0, 2 5s are 10. So 375. Next we have 400 plus 450 by 2. 400 plus 450 is 4 plus 4 is 8 and 5 plus 0 is 5. 850 by 2 means it is 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 1 0, 2 5 are 10, 425. So we have 225, 275, 325, 375, 425. Then let us find out di is equals to xi minus a. So first we have to assume, a means assumed mean. So we have to assume a value for mean. Remember, always find out the assumed mean value in this xi column only. And it is better if you take the xi value in the middle. So how many rows are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the middlemost value in xi is 325. So I will assume my a to be 325. Now this particular is xi for each row. This is xi for second row, xi for third row, xi for fourth row, and xi for fifth row. Now I'll subtract this xi from a, my middlemost value of assumed mean. So xi minus a means xi here is 225. So 225 minus a here is 325. Now 325 is bigger, 225 is smaller. So I'll get minus 325 minus 225 is 100. So minus 100 I got. Next, similarly, xi here is 275 minus a is 325. So again bigger number is 325. So minus 325 minus 275 is 5 minus 5 is 0. This will become 2. 12 minus 7 is 5. 50. Next, 325 minus 325. 325 minus 325 is 0. Always remember, the row of di which corresponds to xi of a will be 0. Next, xi minus a. So xi here is 375 minus a here is 325. 375 minus 325 is plus 50. Because bigger number sign, 375 is bigger than 325 and it has plus sign. So here I have plus. Next, 425 minus 325. It is 5 minus 5 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, 4 minus 3 is 1. So plus 100. Find out fi into di. What is fi? 12. What is di? Minus 100. So minus into plus is minus. 12 into 100 is 1200. Next, 14 into minus 50. Again, minus into plus is minus. 14 5s are 5 4s are 20. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 70. So minus 70 and I have 1 0 here. So 700. Next I have 8 zeros are 0. 6 50s are 5 6 are 30. 300 plus 300. Next 10 hundreds are 1000. So plus 1000. So next what we will do is, whatever minus signs we have, that will add first. That is because minus minus, when signs are same, add. We got all the values of FIDI, right? And we need to find out total sigma FIDI. That is the reason why I am adding all this. So minus we have to do separately and plus we have to do separately. Okay. So 1200 plus 700, minus minus is plus. 1200 plus 700 means it is 1900, and 300 plus 1000 means it is 1300. So here I have 1900 is minus 1900 because here both the signs were minus. So the total sign of 1900 will also be minus because minus 1200 and minus 700 will give you minus 1900. So minus 1900 I have, and here I have plus 1300. So do the operation on this, subtract. So 1 is plus, 1 is minus, subtract. 1900 minus 1300 is 600, and bigger number sign here is minus. So I got sigma FIDI as minus 600. Now let us substitute all these values in the formula. We know by assumed mean method, the formula of mean is equals to x bar is equals to a plus sigma FIDI by sigma FI. Substitute the values. A here we took as 325 plus sigma FIDI is minus 600 by sigma FI is 50. So here 10 and 10 will get cancelled. 5 by 60 means 5 1s are 5, 10, 5 2s are 10. So here I have 325 plus into minus is minus. So 325 minus 12 I have. Okay, because here I have 12. So plus into minus, minus. 325 minus 12. 325 minus 12 is 5 minus 2 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. 313. So I got the answer as 313, and 325 is bigger than 12. So I have the sign as plus. In the question, it was in terms of money. Money was given in terms of rupees. So I should write the unit also in mean. So mean here is given as rupees 313. So this completes my answer. Hope you have understood this question. If you understood this question, then please like, share, subscribe, click that bell icon. Thank you very much, it means a lot.